Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry. As we get into tonight's video newsletter, I wanted to bring to your focus, or at least to your watch list, 3 names that are in 3-day squeezes. So the 3-day time frame is a little bit of a unique one. You know, traders are pretty accustomed to trading weekly charts. Of course, a lot of us grow up trading daily charts. But if you think about the 3-day, you know, this lands you kind of right in the middle. It's a little bit of a sweet spot for swing trading. Now, as we look at this, you know, I'm not going to tell you that LRCX is on discount, right? It's a little bit off of its mean price. You know, I'd prefer to pay about $9.20 for it. But once you can get through this big psychological value of 1,000, ideally on the back of this squeeze, I think you're going to have some nice directional movement to be had. So if you get above that 1K mark, from there I would take that swing high against your swing low. And I think we're eventually talking about this up there at the $1,100 mark. So that's one of them. And then the other, 2 of which, one is going to be ISRG. So I do have to repeat some of the commentary here, which just says it's not on sale, right? It is a product that's up here making these fresh highs. But, you know, if the markets are going to continue to keep pushing up, trying to find equities that are going to outperform is the name of the game. And that's another mature 3-day squeeze. So I would prefer to buy ISRG at about 383. We'll see if we get any weakness next week, but that is a name that I am looking for some outperformance in. And then one that's lagging right now may need to come in a little bit more, but I do want you to be aware of Amazon. So on this 3-day chart, we're looking at the mean price. It's about 178. More of the same thinking, that when these squeezes do start to show some of their directional potential, I think we start seeing Amazon back to 190, and I'd like to be part of the move into 200. So those are a couple of charts that I'm taking into the weekend. I hope you have a great weekend. We'll be back to review all of this again on Tuesday. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.